Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good, and this video is all about our latest trip to CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls, which is located in Chhattisgarh state. So CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls is located on INDRAVATI river in BASTER district of Chhattisgarh state. It is also called as Indian Niagara Falls. For this one particular location, we traveled almost 1000 kilometers approximately from Chennai to Chhattisgarh for about 2 days. So after reach the location, we can see there are many local vendors with handicrafts, toys and food stalls are here. But at first, we'll visit our Indian Niagara and come back for the shopping. We can also see one Shiva temple present in the entrance of the waterfalls. CHITRAKOT, CHITRAKOT, CHITRAKOOT. Yes, all are correct, and I pronounce as CHITRAKOOT. And most importantly, it is also the widest waterfall in India, about the width of 980 feet during the monsoon season and height of about 90 feet fall. In CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls, you can always see the rainbow present in the mist form. Mostly everyone suggested for the sunset visit of CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls, but we went in the morning time, which was also quite beautiful. Most importantly, in CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls, we can go near the waterfall by paddle boats, which is only possible in off-season. And yes, we are very excited. Of course, it is the highlight of the trip when we planned it. We can see both the resort and the restaurant here maintained by Chhattisgarh State Tourism Department. Here it's worth the money for the view we are getting and hospitality. Okay, let's go down the waterfalls for the boat ride. On that day we went, it was less crowded in the morning, but time passed. In the noon, it was much crowded. At last, we reached the ground level of waterfall. The view was quite amazing and mind-blowing. So after some sightseeing, we saw the boat started functioning in the waterfall. So we decided to get tickets for us for the boating experience. The best time to visit the CHITRAKOOT Waterfalls is from July to October, where Indravati river unleashes its full force, and in October to February we can see the clear waterfall. Also, it's the best time for photographers. Finally, we got the tickets and let's go for the ride. The tickets is of two variants. One is we can go with the crowd of 20 people in a boat. For that we have to pay 100 rupees each person, and the second variant is you can go solo in a boat with two sailors. For that you have to pay 200 rupees for each person. To be frank, throughout the boat ride, it was a mixed feelings for me. Sometimes it was scary, sometimes excited, and sometimes got goosebumps too when I went near to the waterfall. I hope you guys enjoyed the waterfall view. I was fully drenched when I went near the waterfall. I really wish you guys have the same experience soon if you haven't. Okay, let's do window shopping for some time. The most products here are handicrafts made by the native tribal peoples, and they are very different in nature. Let me show you one thing which I bought. This is actually a bamboo stick in which if we rotate the stick, it whistles. Can you hear the sound? It cost around 150 rupees I think. Like this I found many products interesting, but we bought that whistling bamboo stick alone. Actually, while buying some products or trying to make conversation, language is a big deal because we don't know Hindi, they don't understand English. Somehow we managed to survive here. Thank you. Also tried some little snack pani puri here in Chhattisgarh. It was very tasty of its own kind, little different from our regular pani puri that we eat in southern part of India, especially Chennai. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thank you.